Hello everybody, it's Matt Pierce and welcome back to another video on my Mk6 GTI. Today I'm going to be showing off this new mod I have installed, and it is a USP intake. This is actually a USP intake for a Mk7 GTI, and the intake came off of a Mk7 Golf that is stage 3. So that was my friend Caleb's Golf, and yeah, link to his Instagram in the description. He sold this to me because he's actually parting his Golf out and is going to buy something much faster. So I got this intake half off. Again, it is for a Mk7 GTI, but it fits the Mk6s, believe it or not, with a little modification. Basically, with the Mk7 USP intakes, you get this little rubber hose that goes into the intake somewhere around here on the Mk7s, and I just cut that up and seated it right to the MAF sensor area over here, and you know, clamped it up. Here's the normal intake part, and this was a little bit janky to fit up. This screw fit in fine over here, but on this side I actually needed to just zip tie it with a little drill that hole. But it's stable and it fits fine, so it's a little janky, but I got it half off for sure. So that was, you know, it's going to perform the same essentially as if I bought a USP Motorsports Mk6 intake. It would be pretty much exactly the same with, you know, a little modification. This might be a little shorter and it might have a special thing to fit up over here, but in general, you know, it's definitely a good buy for half off. And when I go stage 2, definitely going to offer a lot more airflow into the engine. And honestly, my butt dyno says I already picked up a little bit of low down torque and a little bit of even high end torque with this intake so far. And you know, no codes or anything, surprisingly, even though it is technically a Mk7 USP Motorsports intake. But yeah, honestly fits up fine, and I've been really happy with this, especially for half off. I'm trying to do this a little bit more budget, you know, save some money where I can on this car, and for sure this was saving some money, and so literally getting the same exact performance as I would if I just bought a new Mk6 GTI USP Motorsports intake. But yeah, that is pretty much everything. Just a new intake. I kind of wanted to log everything that I do to the car, you know, record it all so I can have it for memories when the car is more complete, and you know, be able to see the car in its different stages and different forms before it eventually is modified and turned into what I exactly kind of want it to be. But yeah, again, no codes or anything, and it works fine, but dyno says I picked up a little bit of power. But yeah, thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.